Welcome to YS Online. Ako po si Dice, coming to you from the Y Suzuki Nihongo Learning Center in Quezon City, the Philippines. If you are studying for the Japanese language exams like the JLPT, JFT Basic A2 exam, the NAT-Test, the J-Test, or you simply want to understand your favorite anime better, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell to gain first-hand access to our new videos. In our previous lessons, we learned how to express the span of time in days, so like 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. In Japanese, that's ichinichi, futsuka, kan, mika, kan. Kung kailangan ninyo ng refresher para dito, check out the links in the description box below or check on the information sa upper right-hand side of the screen. In this lesson, we're going to extend on this topic, and this time we're going to learn how to express the span of time in weeks. So for weeks, pag gusto natin sabihin na how many weeks, kung ilang linggo, no? Sasabihin natin ang number, tapos dadagdagan natin ng shukan. So we have shu, which literally means weeks. Then we have kan, so from our previous lesson, right? We know that that means span of time. So pag sinama natin, it's shukan. Literally, ibig sabihin niya is time span of weeks. So start tayo sa 1 week. For 1 week, iiksiyan natin ang ichi. Tatanggalin natin ang chi, tapos lalagyan siya natin ng chichay tsu. So malit na tsu, no? Or sokuong. We're going to have ishukan. Ishukan. Now, for 2 weeks, sasabihin natin yung number for 2, ni, tapos dadagdagan natin siya ng shukan. And we have nishukan. Easy lang yung 2, di ba? So, tuloy-tuloy na yun, maliban sa 8 weeks at 10 weeks. 3 weeks is sanshukan. 4 weeks is yongshukan. 5 weeks is goshukan. 6 weeks is rokushukan. 7 weeks, nanashukan. Now, pagdating natin sa 8 weeks, susundan natin ulit yung ginawa natin kay 1 week. Di ba? Yung 1 week, hindi siya ichishukan, ginawa natin siyang ishukan. I-extend natin ulit ang hachi. Tatanggalin natin ang chi, lalagyan natin siya ng malit na tsu at magiging hashukan. Hashukan. Alright? Now, when we go back to 9, we're gonna go back to our normal rule for 9 weeks. Kyushukan. Right? Kyushukan. And then, when we get to 10 weeks, i-extend naman natin ulit yung number. So this time, magiging jushukan instead of jushukan. Kind of like what we did for ichi and hachi. So hini-extend natin, no? Nilagyan natin ng malit na tsu. Jushukan. Alright, let's try again. Dire-diretsuin natin from 1 hanggang 10 weeks. Ready? 1 week is ishukan. 2 weeks is nishukan. 3 weeks is sanshukan. 4 weeks is yongshukan. 5 weeks, goshukan. 6 weeks, rokushukan. So, wala nang abbreviation dito, no? Nanashukan for 7 weeks. Dito naman, yung abbreviation natin, wag natin kalimutan, for 8 weeks, it's hashukan, not hachishukan, right? Alright, let's move on to 9 weeks. We have kyushukan. And then for the 10th week, we have jushukan. So remember, katulad nung sa oras na pinag-aralan natin in previous lessons, kahit ilan ang weeks natin, ang kinakatapusan ng number natin ay ang magkakaroon ng rule. So, halimbawa, sabihin na natin na 51 weeks, almost 1 year, no? So, hindi na siya goju ichishukan since ang number na nagtatapos ay 1. So, we're gonna apply the rule for 1 week, which is ishukan. So, for 51 weeks, we have goju ishukan. Okay, so yun ang weeks natin. Let's retest just to make sure na nakuha natin talaga siya, right? Ready? Paano kaya natin sabihin ang 28 weeks? 28 linggo. Okay, so bigyan ko kayo ng 10 seconds. Just pause the video. Take a look at the words on the screen and sabihin natin ang 28 weeks in Japanese. Ready? 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 Ang tamang sagot ay 28週間. 28週間. Alright, very good. Well done for making it this far. That's gonna wrap it up for our lesson today. Short and sweet, that's how we like it here at YS Online. Make sure to stay tuned to our next lessons. Next time we're gonna cover the months naman. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who want to learn Japanese for fun, or if they're studying for a language exam, make sure to let them know. And if you are a full member of our YS Online program, be sure to take the quizzes para maka-refresh kayo sa mga pinag-aaralan natin ngayon in this video today. If you're interested in becoming a full member of the YS Online program, hit us up at www.ysnlc.com. Links in the description box below. For YS Online, my name is Dice. Ja. Mata ne. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe and share this video with your friends who are studying Japanese and trying to pass their language exams, be it JLPT, JFT Basic, NAT-Test, or the J-Test. As always, thank you very much for watching.